Hello there, welcome to our channel. Logging up again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to recover your Netspend account's password. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. How to recover your Netspend account's password? Open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in netspend.com like this, and hit enter. And then you'll be redirected to this page where first you'll be required to click on login on the top right corner of your screen. Over here, click on there, and after that, after landing on this page, you can see forgot your username or password option available over here. Click on password, and now you'll be required to enter your username, and after that enter your email over here and click on next to go through a procedure. And at the end of this procedure, you will be able to recover or reset your password on Netspend account. And guys, this is how you recover or reset your password on Netspend account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.